guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix no sound on Spectrum cable. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now, if you're having problems with your sound here on your Spectrum cable, there's a few things that you can do here to probably solve this issue. Now, by the way, we are currently in the official website here for Spectrum, and we'll be viewing some recommended steps directly from their website. So if you're having problems with, or in this case, audio problems on your Spectrum cable, the first thing you want to do is you want to do some basic troubleshooting. So first is you might want to check your volume levels on your TV first and Spectrum receiver. Sometimes it might have just a really low volume setting, so you might want to increase the volume for it either in your TV or your Spectrum receiver. Also, you might want to make sure that all the components or wires like HDMI is properly plugged in. Now, if the wires are not properly plugged in or they are loose, this might cause you losing audio or even some video from your TV. So make sure they are properly plugged in and fully snugged in. And also, you might want to change your stereo audio and audio output settings in the audio and video settings here. So in this case, changing up a few settings and see what works can actually help a lot. So by the way, this is their official website, so there are going to be other resources or other tutorials here that you could view. But if you want to view them, you could go ahead. Now, another thing you could do here is you want to check other channels as well to see if the issue is not directly from your Spectrum cable. So usually if the audio is channel specific, it means that you won't be able to do something about it. It's more of the provider's problem. So in this case, check other channels if you can hear any audio from it. So you can hear other audio from other channels, then in this case the problem is from the channel itself. Now, if none of those work, the best and last thing that we could do here is to basically contact them. Now, in their website, which is spectrum.net, you can click on chat with us at the left side panel here, and you should be able to start reaching out their bot. Now, in this case, you want to go ahead and just type in that you want to have a conversation or you want to reach out to a representative and ask a few questions. So typically, they will connect you in here, but you could also reach out to them via the contact page. So typically, if I'm not mistaken, you could also contact them. So if you click on more here, you can go to contact us. It should give you the form here. As you can see, there are going to be a lot of options here. So you can basically call the following number. You could go to spectrum.net here as well, and you could also visit a store to get assistance. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.